born and raised.
Reverend Joseph Stanley Jr.
I used to live on 19th Avenue.
believes in Columbus, especially Linden.
There are some really good things that are happening in Linden.
But to keep that positive momentum going, he says the community has to address some uncomfortable truths.
We've seen an uptick in certain violent crime statistics. Is that fair to say?
Absolutely.
Reverend Stanley Jr. tells 10 TV he's witnessed a jump in crimes connected to guns, truancy, and domestic violence. And the numbers from Columbus police back that up. According to data from Precinct 5, in 2023, CPD handled 382 domestic violence reports. In 2024, that number was 445. And as of September, the area is sitting at 338 cases. Right now, they're on track to exceed 2024's numbers by the end of the year.
We're trying to have a more comprehensive approach.
We also sat down with Columbus police, who say they noticed that same trend in July and started a partnership with the advocacy crisis team at Nationwide Children's Hospital to help reverse it.
We will call them and the advocate will respond to the scene and they will have one-on-one interaction with the victim.
They say advocates can offer people anything from information to a cell phone, shelter, or transportation, all while working to get to the root of this uptick.
They will tell the advocates things they won't tell the police.
But back in South Linden, it's work that the Reverend says doesn't end with CPD. He's also calling on people who live there to attend community meetings and get to know their neighbors.
Why does that matter?
Because we see what happens when it's not there. And the truth is, with these rise in numbers, just because it hasn't affected you yet, the data suggests that the longer you're here, eventually it will.
Now, this partnership did just start in July, so we're going to be monitoring things to see how it impacts domestic violence caseloads over time. We're also working to see if this is an issue that's happening in other neighborhoods here in Columbus. In Columbus, Rochelle Aline, 10 TV News.
Thank you, Rochelle. And if we take a look at domestic violence inside the entire city of Columbus, leaders say it's affecting several communities. According to a recent report by the city, police investigated 825 felony domestic violence cases last year, nearly 100 more than in 2023. And 24 of those cases involved a homicide. Mayor Andrew Ginther has assigned the city's Office of Violence Prevention with looking into this problem. Officials say it starts with educating the community.
So helping our community understand ways to safely assist those who are in those escalated situations on how to step away safely, and then also providing them with the resources that are available to assist them should they find themselves as a victim of domestic violence.
And if you or someone you know needs help, call the domestic violence hotline. That number listed on your screen right now, 1-800-799-7233. You can call and get help 24/7. It is free and it is confidential.